Welcome back to 4K Tech. I went to Home Depot and I purchased this Battery Daddy because my batteries were all over the place and I never knew what I had. So we got this and I wanted to show all of you what it does. So it's basically a case for your batteries. The case comes with plenty of space and options for your different size batteries. You have a spot for D battery, C, 9 volts, AAA, AA, and a volt tester. We're going to check that out in a little bit. Now let's stock it with some AA batteries. I have a few AA batteries left over, so I'll close this side, flip the Battery Daddy over, and put the rest on this side of the case. We'll flip it back over and we'll check out the battery tester. This will let me know when to replace, if the batteries are low, or if the batteries are good. So let's try out a brand new battery that I just put in here. So I'm going to slide the slider down, insert my battery. You have to make sure both contacts, the positive and negative contacts, are touching the metal pieces inside. And this battery is good. Now let's see if it works on batteries that have been in a remote for a while. I have my Fire Stick remote and I'll take the batteries out. And let's see what the read is on this one. Yep, that's about right. I think this battery tester is pretty accurate. This Battery Daddy is a great way to organize all of your batteries in one convenient spot.